Hey everyone, welcome back. Congratulations on finishing this crash course on ISTQB Certified Tester Testing with Generative AI certification. So I have covered all the core modules as part of this 15 video series, and on a high level I have touched based on each of these topics that are mentioned in the ISTQB GenAI certification section here. From here, if say for example you are doing a self-preparation, go ahead, download the syllabus. Make sure that you download the syllabus, go through each and every topic in detail, because within these topics as well there are subtopics that you have to go ahead in detail. For self-study you can take help. So basically in Google, go ahead and search for the subtopics and you will get the detail or explanation about those subtopics. Refer to those. Within the syllabus, make sure you read each and every section of the syllabus in detail. Along with that, once you are done with that, go ahead with the sample exam questions and answers. So basically attempt the questions and answers and make sure that you are able to understand the exam pattern and the question style. Once you are comfortable, then go ahead for the official ISTQB Generative AI certification exam, because questions can be tricky, and if you do not go ahead with the detailed learning of the syllabus apart from this series that I have posted and the sample exam, you will or you might struggle with the exam questions. If say for example you are not doing self-study and you want to go ahead and enroll in the premium course, which has all of the explanation of the subtopics along with the quizzes, along with the different hands-on exercises in this course to understand generative AI usage more practically and use generative AI more practically in your day-to-day work within your projects, you can enroll in this premium course at training.rcvacademy.com. For the YouTube viewers, there is always a discount on the course, and course discount will be available in the description section of this video. So go ahead and enroll in the course if you are not doing the self-study and want a full-fledged sort of course and preparation at one place along with the quizzes so you can practice and be prepared for the exam. But if you are doing self-study, this course that I have posted is the starting point, which has a lot of content already. On top of this, if you go with the syllabus, go with those subtopics and the question paper, you should still be good, in a very good shape to clear your ISTQB GenAI exam. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial series. Thank you, and I'll see you in another tutorial series very soon. Thank you.